thank you for 50 subscribers. This is like, I'm so happy. I couldn't believe it couldn't go so fast, and yeah, it's all thanks to you guys, and I keep doing my thing, and I hope you enjoy the content. Got some good footage, I think. Hi guys, so I was thinking about going out and bashing doing some FPV driving and maybe some drone driving. So I'm just gonna prepare the body for the snow and for the cold winter. So I'm taking some Jamaican oil, 636 Omega, like VD40 if you the most use VD40. This is a little more high quality. I also have 556 that is like exactly the same as VD40, but I prefer the 636 Omega. This is like, yeah, it crawls into spaces and pushes the water out, and it's really expensive, but yeah, I really love it. So I'm just putting it on all like the metal and all the parts where it can rust. And I don't do much, there's just like a couple of drops everywhere. And then when we're out down, being out, we are going to dry it, so it's going to be good anyhow. And this also helps keep dirt and everything away. I think the bottom is done. I'm just gonna do some small parts up here. Remember, not too much, guys. That feels good. So we are waiting for everything to charge. So when everything is charged, we're just gonna pack up, and we have a lot of stuff here. We're gonna pack it up, and then we're gonna go. And this is the body with the FPV camera. I think we're gonna start out with this one. Then I'm taking the fourth body, and I'm also taking the little drone. So yeah, we're gonna see what it come up to, and we're gonna have a good time. So okay guys, now we're just putting in some batteries in the car and in the FPV camera. And we got the goggles here, we got the other body, we got a camera here, and we got a camera here. So I think we're gonna get some pretty good angles, and yeah, I really hope that this is going to be a good movie. So I hope you see good. We're gonna put this one on. We're gonna put on the camera, and we got a picture. You can see the picture. We move this around. So now I'm just gonna put the pins in, and then we can go out and driving. I'm just losing pins here. It's quite tight in the car, but I think it will go good. So this is actually the first time I'm getting this Traxxas E-Revo FPV car out. I've been driving with the Dromeda FPV that I made myself, but that has mostly been indoors. So yeah, now I'm just gonna turn this bad boy on, and as always, remember to put this one on first. So you see this one red light is on. I'm gonna put the GoPro on. I think everyone can see me good now. Oh shit. I'm just gonna put the car on. So now I see the car is on. I'm gonna shut the door. I'm gonna put the goggles on. Let's get out driving. I can't really see where I'm going and it's really wet outside. Yeah, there's a car. Oh, I almost hit the street sign. It's so cool. I'm just driving around the car. There's a little bit of disturbance in the camera. I don't know if it's because I'm in the car maybe. Oh, that was so close. You still drive it, but the picture is starting to blur. Yeah, now I'm right outside. Just gonna go out. So here you can see the E-Revo 116 brushless with the Fpv camera on. And this is with a 2S lipo. I'm gonna see how far away I can go. Now it's pretty open too, so now I'm not sitting in the car exit of the Ikea. So here in the background you can see Ikea. I hope. I don't know if I'm pointing at the good direction now. So I'm just gonna be driving a little bit more. Hi guys! Welcome back, or welcome back to me, should I maybe say. You can see this one wasn't tightly on. So I'm just gonna keep on driving a little bit further. It's a disturbance between being outside and in the car wasn't like so much different. And sometimes it just helps to like angle your head a little bit to get the picture back. I don't know where I am. That is the FPV for you now, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this little FPV stunt. I'll take the car inside again. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna change the... yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. So I'll just keep you guys right here. You'll still be recording. I'm just gonna take you guys, show you. Here it is. So yeah, hope you like this movie. If you liked it, put a thumbs up. Put a comment below if there's something you're wondering about, or if there's something else you want to see. And subscribe, yeah, remember to subscribe please. And again, thank you so much for 50 subscribers. That's insane. Thank you so much. Yeah, so see you, bye.